Okay, I just wanted to make my video from my Pop On Veneers. See, missing teeth. So the Pop On Veneers that I got are in a case like this. So I'm going to take them out, and they're very simple to put in. See, here they are here. And there you are. Just like that. Pop On Veneers. I'm so thankful. Um, I would recommend this to anybody. They fit perfect. Um, there's no tightness. It's a firm fit, but it's not like an uncomfortable tightness. It fits perfect. I can speak. Um, so thank you, Pop On Veneers. I greatly appreciate it.